Find the derivative of square root of x to the x power. So what we need to do first is rearrange this term such that it is easier to manipulate. So we know that square root of x is equivalent to x to the 1/2, and that is being taken to the power of x. And using basic exponential properties, we multiply these two together to form x to the x over 2. That is equivalent to this term. Now we can set y, any given function, equal to this, x to the x over 2. And our goal now is to bring this exponent down to the front, or to the coefficient of x. By taking a natural log, we can make that possible. So ln y would then be equal to ln of this whole term. And the logarithm property states that whatever is in the exponent here can be brought over to the coefficient. So this means that ln y equals now x over 2 ln of x. We got rid of this exponent and brought it over. So now we can do implicit differentiation on both sides to get our dy dx term, which was what we were initially intending over here. So rewriting that, d dx of ln y equals d dx of this whole term, x over 2 times ln x. So implicit differentiation states that if you take the derivative of a non-independent variable value, you can simply do what you would have done initially, 1 over y, which is the derivative of ln y. But you also have to make sure to multiply that by dy dx, or just y prime. And we set that equal to, using this as u times v, the derivative of u times v is u prime v plus u v prime, where u is x over 2 and v is ln x, since they both have x terms. And that simply equals the derivative of x over 2 is just 1/2 times v, which was ln x, plus u, which was x over 2, times v prime, which is 1 over x, the derivative of ln x. And multiplying both sides by y, we can see that dy dx, the slope or derivative, equals y times everything else here on the right hand side, 1/2 ln x, plus we can also see that the x's cancel, so that becomes 1/2. And we see that back here, y equals x to the x over 2. So to keep it all in the proper terms, the derivative of square root of x to the x power equals x to the x over 2 times 1/2 ln x plus 1/2. There you go. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below, and good luck.